Hello and welcome to MTD CNC. Today we are here at EMO 2025 and I am here at Filtermist stall with new Managing Director Rene Jopi. Thank you so much for your time. And we are going to witness a new product launch, Filtermist AW. So Rene, can you please explain me about this product?
Of course, thank you for the introduction, first of all. So we're very proud to be at the show here, to be able to introduce the product. Filtermist AW is brand new, launched and seen for the first time at the show. And what it is, it bridges the gap between what we have at Filtermist today and probably applications where we couldn't really offer anything to our customers in the past. And it's made for precision filtration, Swiss machining, neat oil, high pressure oils to really get into the sub-micron capability, which Filtermist was able to, but was not the best product design for it. So this is where AW is targeted. And it wasn't done in conjunction together with our sister company in Absolent. There is filter technology in there as well from Absolent, which is one of the best in the market, if not the best. So we are very proud to be able to show it here on the show.
Fantastic. So can we see the filters, what kind of filtration stages are
there? Of course.
Can we see,
so you can open it, this is normally locked, so this you can open it here and you see there is a first filtration stage, let me open this, and a second filtration stage. The first one is what we would see as the technology, our IP, our real core piece of technology on filtration here, which is the catch and release patented Absolent filtration technology, which we use here.
And what will be the filter life for this particular filters?
The filters, as they are designed in this product, have a filter life of 9,000 hours. So in one shift pattern, that means a 2-year filter life. So it's really long, easy to use, and the target here was to make a product that is machine mounted, or on a stand to the machine, very light. So this unit, as you see here, weighs 23 kilograms.
Oh, nice.
So it's really nice to put on, to service. And also you see how easy it is to remove the filter, clean it or change it. And that was really the target, to make it easy, reliable, long-lasting for the customers in this market.
Yeah, I think it's very, very compact and it can easily sit on any sliding head machines like Sogami, Citizen, Hanwha, any sliding head.
Correct, and that was the target. And we have obviously the first filtration stage, and you also have a second filtration stage, which is then going to a HEPA level filtration. And depending on airflows, this unit have bigger or smaller filters. So what you see here is an airflow for up to 250 meter cubes per hour, and our range at the moment goes up to 800 meter cubes per hour with different filtration sizes and filter sizes. Yeah,
I think that is sufficient for any sliding head machine because you do not require more than 800 cubic meter per hour.
And that was the target, because in this high precision machining, normally the machines don't need that high airflow to clean sufficiently quick, and that's why we targeted at this market range.
And you have really nice, cool looking, LED lights to show the indication.
Correct. Yeah. So at the moment it's white because it's not on. There is no pressure drop, and these lights become green if it's running. There is a pressure drop measured, and they become red once it cannot deal anymore, and the filters get too blocked. So therefore becomes red and indicates it needs servicing.
Fantastic. So, and nowadays, energy consumption has become a very big point. We are talking about sustainability and energy cost reduction. So how energy efficient is this unit?
I mean, this is probably the most energy efficient unit we have in the group at all at this stage. And if you look at this unit, this has a consumption of less than 200 watt. So the motor is super efficient. There's an EC motor in there that is also done with a very intelligent control algorithm which manages the motor speed depending on the pollution levels of the filters. So in the beginning it's very low, and once the filters get a little bit more blocked, because obviously it's used over time, the motor starts speeding up. So therefore we are able to continuously deliver the airflow that we promise on the unit. So it's really intelligent in there, and the energy consumption is probably the lowest you can find in the market for this kind of unit.
Fantastic. I think it's a really good, impressive product launch you have done. Very compact, very neat looking, quality is really good. You have checked all the points, all neat oil applications, sub-micron particles, energy consumption, indication. I think it has got everything. I think I would give a 5-star rating to this product.
Absolutely, and like I said, we are very proud. The target here was to make it easy, to really take complication out for our customers, but at the same time deliver up to the promise that we stand as a group and as Filtermist in the market.
Definitely. I think this is going to be a super hit product for you. I wish you all the best. Thanks a lot for your time.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.